111. The universe will do something amazing for you, and a lot of opportunities will appear out of nowhere into your life. The blessings you are receiving are massive. Type 333 if you believe in this. The universe is saying to you today, once you decide you want a good life, the universe will start moving things for you to have it. The people you need will happen, the doors you need open will unblock, but know until you decide. Once you truly, sincerely decide, miracles will happen. Type yes if you believe. The universe is sending signs that this is your season. Finances are about to blossom and good times are on the way. Type 222 if you believe. Also, subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.